Subtract 26,117,735 minus 2,001,433. Everything's all lined up perfect, so let's start from the right and start subtracting. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. Let's drop our commas down. Let's drop our commas down. And we end up with 24,116,302.